いらっしゃいませ! みんなおはようございます. Welcome to Udon Classroom, guys, where our chefs have painstakingly prepared you an epic course of grammar for today. Now, we're going to be learning all about de today, which means at, by, or with. Now, don't worry, it sounds complicated, but we're going to break it down. So, 今日僕はめっちゃ元気です。お腹空いてる? I won't let you guys leave without mastering this grammar, so pull up a chair and we'll prepare your meal. And the price, of course, just one like. So let's go! 始めましょう!
日本語を勉強しましょう。うどん、うどん、うどん。うどん教室へようこそ。始めるぞ。
Okay, guys, so now we're going to look at de. Now, this means at, by, or with, and we'll see just how. It's a super simple, useful particle. Once you understand it, it's awesome. So we're going to look at 4 slightly different meanings first, and then we'll look at some example sentences. So, let's have a look. All you have to do to use this particle, little piece of grammar, all you have to do is add de to the end of a noun. So after a noun, you can use de. Okay, so let's have a look. So first meaning is the place of an action. So for example, 学校で日本語を勉強する。学校で日本語を勉強する。So I study Japanese at school. So 学校で, that is the place where the action happens. Now let's have a look at meaning 2. Now this is by a means or method. So here is an example. 車で行く。車で行く。So, I will go by car. So that's the means that you will go. 車で行く. So that's the second meaning. The third meaning is the total amount. And it indicates a total amount of something. For example, time, money, etc. So, here's an example. 1時間で終わります。1時間で終わります。I'll finish in a total of 1 hour. So in 1 hour. And meaning 4, we have de as the reason for an action. So 病気で今日休みます。病気で今日休みます。So because I'm sick, I'm taking the day off. So the reason is I'm sick. So 病気で, that's the reason. Okay. So if you want to just remember one of these guys and then come back and learn some more, please go ahead. But probably the most useful is the place of action. So 学校で and then something that you'll do. レストランでお寿司を食べるとか that kind of thing. So now, great job, guys. Let's have a look at some example sentences. So first off, we have 自転車で行きます。自転車で行きます。I will go by bicycle. 自転車で, the noun is bicycle, and the verb is 行きます. So 自転車で by bicycle, I will go. That's example number 1. Let's have a look at example number 2. みんなで行こう。みんなで行こう. So let's go together with everybody. So みんなで with let's go. Let's have a look at the final example. そのシャツどこで買いました？そのシャツどこで買いました? Now, de here means where at. So at, どこ means where, and put them together, we have where at. So guys, that is it for today's small little lesson. You've done a really good job to get this far. Remember to watch the video a few times to make sure you get it. And your homework is to write 3 example sentences in the comments. Remember that real progress comes with action. みんな、お腹がいっぱいですか? よかったね! We will see you all in the next video, everybody. Remember to subscribe for more and watch out other videos. みんな、またね!
日本語を勉強しましょう。うどん、うどん、うどん。うどん教室へようこそ。始めるぞ。